Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Airbnb guest cancellation problem. So to fix a guest cancellation problem on Airbnb, you must determine if you're handling a guest asking to cancel, an uncooperative guest who won't formally cancel, or excessive cancellations hurting your listing. So if the guest is asking to cancel, check the reservation details if they are within the non-refundable window. Direct them to file a claim through any travel insurance they may have purchased. Now, state that you will refund cleaning fees and occupancy taxes. Explain that if you manage to rebook their dates, you will manually refund the remaining balance. If you are due a payout, it is typically sent 24 hours after the guest's scheduled check-in time. Now, if the guest refuses to formally cancel, send them the Airbnb Help Center page so they know how to formally process the cancellation. Or you can also contact Airbnb Support directly to report the uncooperative guest so their system can verify the guest's withdrawal and unblock your calendar. Now, if you're struggling with frequent cancellations, so to reduce the number of cancellations negatively impacting your business, just tighten your policy, optimize requirements, and leverage instant book settings. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.